Let's warm up and do some pre-Pilates on the Spine Corrector. So we're gonna do some scap isolations and arm arcs. You're gonna start facing away from the barrel, feet are hip distance apart, parallel, lifting up through the crown of the head. Exhale, you're gonna start to tuck your pelvis away from your thighs, finding your back support onto the barrel. You can place your head onto the arc, shoulders are firmly connected in. Reaching your arms up to sky. Think of holding a paper towel roll as you inhale, separate. Exhale, squeeze back down. Inhale. Exhale. You're fully supported from the arc. As you lift and lower down, squeeze your scaps together. Rhomboids connect, feel your belly connect. Inhale, reaching your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your arms down for your arm arcs. Think of creating a big rainbow. Exhale, not letting the ribs splay, keeping them knitted together. Feeling the abdominals, having this massive support. You're feeling the rotation on that spine corrector and the shoulder girdle. Last one. From here, bring your hands behind your head for cervical support. Curl up head, neck, and shoulders. Grab the backs of the knees to sit up all the way. And that is our arm arcs and scap isolations on the Spine Corrector.